Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you we discuss with you NordVPN review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you've been shopping around for a VPN lately here, you've probably seen or definitely seen NordVPN everywhere or popping up. And honestly, it absolutely lives up to the hype right now. So as of right now, it stands as one of the fastest options on the market because it's custom Nord links protocol. So when you turn it on, it barely touches your internet speed, retaining over 80% of your baseline connection. So you can streamline in 4K or stream in 4K or game without any lag. Because usually if you use any VPN, your interconnection would actually slow down. So not with this one. So if your main goal here is bypassing regional blocks here, well, it's a total beast. Now, Nord here has expanded through over like 9,000 servers worldwide, and it effortlessly unblocks content on Netflix or Prime without forcing you to constantly tweak your settings. Plus, they recently bumped their simultaneous connection limit here, so you can protect up to like 10 devices at the same time. So they also include Threat Protection Pro, which acts like a mini antivirus by blocking malicious sites and scanning files for malware even when the VPN itself is disconnected. Now, to be fair, there is something that you may need to be aware of or watch out for, and that is the renewal pricing here. Now, while you can snag a great introductory rate of around like $3 a month if you commit to a 2-year plan upfront, the price jumps drastically by nearly 200% upon renewal. So they've even faced some legal scrutiny here recently over these aggressive auto billing tactics. Also, the user interface here doesn't have perfect features. Feature parity across platforms, so meaning the desktop app will have a few more bells and whistles than the mobile version. But ultimately here, if you want the top tier speed, strict no logs, privacy backed by Panama law here, and flawless streaming, well, it's completely worth it. Just grab the long-term deal here to save some cash and maybe turn off your renewal if you don't want to continue with them. But then again, it's going to be still worth it because of the speed and the value that you're getting out of it. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.